Good morning. It's February 10th and we're looking at the S&P 500. This is a 5-minute chart, not that it's super relevant, and what you see here are obviously prediction points here and here. We just touched this one to the tick right there. And then I have these green lines that I have drawn in, which are just some prices that we're going to want to watch in between our prediction points. If you're looking for more opportunity there, if you don't know what you're doing with those or how to use them, that's okay. You can ignore those. So really here we probed, we had a price up higher, we had a price up higher here yesterday. We did not get to that price, so essentially we've probed this price right here by a point. We're using that to the tick right now. So, of course, if we can get up above here and hold, then we are looking for, what is that, 85 half, 85 quarter minimum. That would be the minimum up there. It's about 12 points from here. And then we've got 88, and then we've got 92, and then up above 92, 95. So these are somewhat close together up here. We've got 85 and 88, fairly close. Above 88 goes to 92 quarter, and then above that we've got 95. So these are pretty close up here. And yeah, probably these two higher ones would be, not saying that we aren't going to slow down or something here, but likely these two higher ones. Now up above here, it starts getting a lot stronger, and we could easily see 3,400 plus. So probably worth giving it a try, depending on how it comes up here. Might want to get a pullback from here, so it might be worth trying it for a pullback if it came up there. So then, of course, if we don't break out up here, then this is an opportunity to get short for some pullback. Now we have these prices right here, 76 quarter, 78, 79 quarter, 83 quarters, and 82 half. Those are fairly close together. That's just something to be aware of as we go up there. You can see how the market used this here. We came up, pulled back here, came up here, pulled back here, came up to here, pulled back to here, came up above here, held here, but then came down here, then came up here, right there to there. So we've pretty much used this. We've used this. Could see a pullback down to here. If 60.75 doesn't hold, then they'll probably want to bring it back down here, 61.75. Maybe probe it down to here. So overall in this lower range, looking for long opportunities, aggressive shorting up here, and aggressive meaning it's aggressive to take the trade short up here. Then long opportunity here in this 65 3/4 area, and then again here at 61 half, and then again at the KP at 58. Now below 58, the next price, we have yesterday's low down here at 51.75, so that's something to pay attention to. But of course the next KP is not till 49 half, so things start getting a lot weaker, and we kind of used this already. So below here it could come all the way back down into the 30s here. That's definitely the second scenario. That's not what we're looking to have happen. So below here, of course, we have that 49, but then again, we still have that 39 as well down there, down into that 30 area. So that's the second scenario. First scenario is a pullback to here or here, and then a push higher. or we could probe, then pull back, then push higher, but likely we're going to want to pull back. We don't need to come back to here, although we certainly could. It would be ideal to at least come back to here, the 65 3/4, or even here, 61 3/4, maybe a probe down to here. And then if we can't get that, then if we don't get a pullback to at least here, then look for the breakout above up here, and then come back and retest. And very possible again here, or one of these, that we can pull back to. So there you have it, fairly straightforward here today. Should be pretty good opportunity given how far apart prediction points are and what that looks like. So we will see you in the live trade signals.